In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing page in Klavyio. By the end, you'll have a complete campaign built, targeted to the right audience, designed with your template, and ready to schedule or send. Start on the Klavyio dashboard and head to Campaigns. This is where all your outbound messages live. Click Create Campaign to spin up something new. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. Think about including the goal and date so your team knows exactly what it is at a glance. Next, choose your campaign type. For a focused experience, select Single Channel, then pick Email as the channel. You'll see options to set timing. Choose the date that aligns with your launch plan and your audience's time zone. If you spot any required fields, go ahead and type in the missing details now so everything saves cleanly when you continue. Click Continue to move to targeting. In the Send to section, select the list or segment you want to reach. Segments are great for behavior-based targeting, while lists are perfect for broader sends. Take a moment to make sure your suppression settings and exclusions are correct so you're not emailing anyone who shouldn't receive this message. When you're confident your audience is set, click Next. You'll land on templates. Choose Email, save to access your existing designs, then open the email library. From here, click Create to start a new email or adapt a favorite template. Keep your layout simple and goal-focused. If your objective is conversions, make your primary call to action obvious and above the fold, and ensure your colors and fonts are on brand. When your content foundation is in place, click Next to set the essentials. Add a compelling subject line that's specific and benefit-driven. Keep it concise and avoid spammy phrasing. Then write your preview text. Think of it as a short extension of your subject that teases the value and encourages the open. If you use personalization, make sure the fields you reference exist for your recipients to avoid blanks. Click Next again to reach the final step, schedule or send. If you're scheduling, choose a time when your audience is most engaged. If you're sending immediately, double-check the summary, list or segment, template, subject, and timing. It's a good practice to send a quick test to your own inbox and click through every link to confirm tracking and landing destinations are correct. That's it, your campaign is ready to go. Follow these steps each time for a repeatable, reliable build process, and you'll launch with confidence.